going on YouTube? This is your boy DeVintage, back with another video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe and make sure you hit that notification bell so you never miss another video and you always up to date with the channel, man. So with this video, as you see by the thumbnail, I want to talk about these two shoes, man. The Air Jordan 3 International Flights, which came out of, I did not know they were going to release the end of June. Like, I thought it was going to release late July or August time. For me, how Jordan Brand always pushing back release dates and shit. And then you have the Air Jordan 10 White and University Red, which is Westbrook PE. They got like the class of 2006 inside of the shoe, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, they got the class of 2006. I'll be sure to put pictures right here or right here, wherever I'm not blocking the camera. But the shoe came out of nowhere. You got the Air Jordan 3 International Flights. You got the signature on the tongue, bro. Like, threes have been growing on me. The true blue threes kind of was pushing me away from the 3 model because the quality was terrible. The price point was crazy. I think it was like $220 for the true blue threes. I didn't pay the full price, but still $220 for a pair of threes. That the quality was terrible. And you got the Katrina threes, which the quality was a little better. The black cement threes were better than true blue threes and quality wise. Which shoe was better? I don't know. You rank them if you want to, but I feel like the quality on the black cement threes and the Katrina threes this year are up there, and as well as the Tinker threes that I copped this year, man. So threes been growing on me, so I just want to get a couple of you guys' opinions on what you think about the Air Jordan 3 International Flights. It's gonna be another white 3 for me, guys. So here you go now. Katrina threes right here. Quality is spectacular in my opinion. People was hating on this shoe. I think the shoe actually, it sold out on the SkipGoesHard app, but it was still floating around on like footaction.com, footlocker.com. You have these right here, which restocked right now probably like 4 or 5 times that I know of. You know, J23 app always keep people up to date. And there's gonna be another white 3 that I want to add to my collection. It's nothing else releasing the end of June besides these International Flight 3s and the Westbrooks. We're gonna get that after this. But let me know in the comment section below, please. What do y'all think about these Air Jordan 3 International Flights? I'm really interested in knowing what y'all think about them. If they're gonna sell out, if they're gonna be like one of them shoes that you need for the collection. I'm bringing this video to my subscribers so we can interact about these sneakers, man. So let me know in the comment section below. Let's get into the next kick. Okay, so with these Air Jordan 10 Westbrook PEs, University Red, Blue, whatever you wanna call them, man, they different. It's like a top 3 1 or like a gold toe 3 or a top 3 golds. Like, it's different colors on the shoes. You can see right here, you got the red on one side, you got the blue on one side. I want to know what y'all think about that. I know that shoe right there is definitely gonna sit. Hold on, let me not talk too soon, because you never know, man. 10s barely come out. They gave us the I'm Back 10s this year, and I believe they gave us another pair of 10s, I'm not sure. But I only caught 1 pair of 10s, and it's the I'm Back 10s. Bam, right here, man. The I'm Back 10s of, ooh, the shit bright as hell. Let me turn that brightness down for y'all real quick so y'all can check them out. Here you go, the I'm Back 10s right here. I beat these things up, man. I went down to a little fair or whatever, and I beat these up, bro. So wear your kicks, man. Wear your kicks. And with the University or Westbrook 10s, you're gonna get that same white color blocking on the shoe. Put pictures up, B-roll of the Westbrook 10s, just so you can see what I'm talking about. And just pretty much a basic colorway, but you know, you got the red and the blue on one side, so that's just something to look out for on the Westbrook 10s. So like I said, guys, let me know how you feel about the Westbrook 10s. I feel like they're gonna sit. I feel like they're gonna be a shoe that people don't need for the collection because it's very similar to these besides the red and the blue. I feel like the shoe is gonna change people's minds once they have them in hand, you know what I'm saying? Some people get shoes for the quality, some people get shoes for the concept, some people just get shoes because they're collectors. So I feel like that shoe is going to be more of the collector's end as well as the International Flight 3s because the colorway isn't like all that, but it's like the concept behind it. And they got Westbrook, you know what I'm saying, the class of 2006. I feel like that's a dope addition to somebody's collection, especially for the collectors, man. The sneakerheads that just buy shoes, you know what I'm saying, to rock them, to, you know what I'm saying, get swaggy in. I feel like it's not going to be a shoe that they cop because it's like this, you know what I'm saying, it's a white 10. 10s has been slacking, man, so I need Jordan Brand to hit us up with some more dope 10s, man. Y'all let me know if y'all feel me in the comment section below. Price point of $190, basic, standard Air Jordan price. Yeah, let me know in the comment section below. Okay, that is it for this video. I just wanted to put out some of those thoughts and opinions I had on these two shoes. They really snuck up on me. I wasn't really checking my sneakers app like that. I wasn't even really interested in the shoe. And then the not the I'm Back 10s, but the Westbrook 10s really came out of nowhere. I knew about the international flights, but the Westbrook 10s like crept up on me like, are you gonna cop them or are you not gonna cop them? And I wanna get some of y'all opinions on if y'all copping or not. Tell me what y'all think about the sneakers, and I really appreciate it. If you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe, ring the notification bell for your boy, and I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. Peace.
Russ, did you guys lose this game or did the Jazz win this one?
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man? Bro, I'm out, man. That nigga's tripping.